Hi everybody, it's Julie, and I have part 2 of a video that was only supposed to be one part, but I couldn't stop adding things to the purple and lavender kit, and so here are some more of the items that I added. I added this little doily, and we'll see how we are going to use it. I added a heart doily and this larger round doily. You're going to get about 3 yards of this purple crochet thread, a purple chenille stem or pipe cleaner, and it's sparkly. Some of this ribbon that has the gold edge, it's sheer and purple, and it opalescent. A piece of this purple picot ribbon. A piece of this lace, a pretty good sized piece of this lace that you can either keep wide or you can cut it and it becomes 2 pieces of lace. You get 3 gold medallion dots. This piece of ribbon with the teapots. Purple yumminess, and as I mentioned in the other video, if I had if it wasn't too heavy, I would add more of the butterfly clips, so I got to add 6 more butterfly clips. You're gonna get some of the gold thread, so I use, well, I'm gonna be showing you, and we'll get to use it. These are all stuck together, but I use it to make these little things, and then use them in my layering. So we'll be using that. You get a little bit of white wire. You get a hitch fastener. So there is the hitching post and the screw. So you're going to get a hitching post. Yay! This is purple elastic. So if you choose to use a hitching post for your closure, you can use this purple elastic. You're going to get 3 pansy stickers. You get this big piece of lace. Now this is all in addition to what was going to be the kit, and I've added all of this. Yeah, because I went looking for something and I was like, oh, I should put this in it. Okay, now these are just on copy paper, but you're getting Were I a Violet? So this part is the beginning of the song, appears Christmas chimes, so you can take that out and put it in your Christmas embellishments. And this is the conclusion, or concluded version. So that's the second half. So we'll be using that. You get a printout of the 3 postcards. And then you get 5 printouts of the concluded part. The one thing that happens on the contact is they cut off a little bit. So this is, again, this is extra. So, yeah, it's extra to the kit. You get a lavender tag. You get some of this great lavender, or purple. It's actually purple. Well, it's that thick ribbon that you can use to make like wreaths and things. But we're going to use it in our layering. And this really pretty purple with the gold swirly tool. I'm going to be using this purple bag in your packaging. You're going to get a book paper from The Cat Who Went Up the Creek. I liked it because it's actually already aged. You're going to get this label. It's actually made out of like Tyvek. And so it's 2 label pieces. And we're going to use those when we make the paper bag book, if that's what you want to do. You get 2 6 by 12 pieces of scrapbook cardstock, and I thought maybe we might be able to use these on the inside of the book. You get a purple paint chip, a really big purple paint chip. So that'll be fun. You get you get 3 of these bags. That one had 4, but you get 3, right? I'll check. Yeah, 3. You get 3 paper bags. And you get 1 of these bags. Okay, my printer was running out of colored inks. It was running out of, was it red or yellow? Well, it had run out of yellow apparently. And so it was printing in lavender, purple. So I went ahead and printed these off. And so you get, yes, they are on copy paper. Again, this was extra. But I think we're going to go ahead and make tags out of these. And so, and I'm planning to sew them or add them to something else for mine. But they'd also be really pretty on the cover of a book. So, yeah, so there's that. Now this is interesting. I had this in my stash, and you're going to get 2 pages of it. But the edge is purple. And we can go ahead and use these for tags. So there's 8 postcards, and you're going to receive that. Again, this was extra, kind of fun. And so that is the additions that I have added to the kit. So that makes the kit video is 2 videos. This is part 2. And now I get to show you, because I've replace the ink in my printer. And so these are printed out on white. And so there is this one. Okay, so you have the asters around the outside. You have the iris here, the asters here, and then it kind of looks like larkspur cut up. I'm not positive. But you get those 4 postcards. Then you get, can't tell if I've got 1 or 2. Okay, so this is what this one looked like before I added the yellow. I didn't realize I mean, I knew I was out of yellow, and I don't know why I forgot. So this is what it looked like when I added the yellow. So, so I'll be doing something with that. But, so this is the printable, digital printable that you will receive an email with these so that you can print them when you purchase this kit. This digital printable kit will also be available in my Etsy shop. And, and it will also include the 4. So you get the 4 postcards, the 3 postcards, and the backs. And these are actually, 3 of these are the same postcard. It's just, I had already made the image, and this one was cutting off because they're so long. The postcards are so long, it's hard to get them in. Some of them are actually longer than others even. Okay, so you get 8 postcard fronts, and then the 4 postcard backs, but I also did it here with 3. And I like, this one is kind of cool because it doesn't have any writing on it. So that is the digital kit that you will be receiving by email, and the digital kit that is also available in my Etsy shop. So one other thing is I will have a music kit available, and let me see if I can show you. Well, that Violet will be part of it, the Violet song. So it will have I will either be putting these out once a month, like every month or every 2 months, and the music will coincide with the type of kits or holidays that are happening now. So unfortunately, this is coming out later than I had planned. I actually have an April Fool's song in there. So this one will be April songs and spring songs. And there's a song, It's a Rainy Day. There's the flower song. So they'll be fun. And they're done as a JPEG, so you'll be able to print them full sheet, or like this is done, or 2 5x7s. Or you can, now just remember the contact print ends up cutting off on one side. So, yeah, because it takes up the space with this contact thing here. But you can do wallet size. You'll be able to do these. You'll be able to do the contact. You'll be able to do the full page. And it is antique music. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. What are you most excited about? I was pretty excited to find, well, I'm excited to add the hitching post and to be able to show you how to put a hitching post on. It was really kind of fun to have this elastic that I had gotten in a tin, a really cool tin full of stuff at a flea market. And I think it's going to be fun to actually have purple crochet thread for binding the book. And there's plenty, you'll be able to do some embroidery on some of your embellishments as well with this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned. I'm going to start doing the embellishments, and they'll be coming at least one a day. Oh, here's the rainy day cards. There's a rainy day and flower song. So those are going to be fun. And yeah, that'll come up when I get I left my computer at my parents' house. So when I get my computer back from my parents, then I've already got them all scanned and ready. I just have to set it up. So have a great day. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day. Bye. Thank you for being here. Bye-bye.